back to my channel. Today we're going to be making mac and cheese bites with a twist. Since I'm totally obsessed with rainbows, we're going to be making rainbow mac and cheese bites. So without further ado, let's get started. In a pot with water, add 1 cup macaroni. Then add salt. And let your macaroni cook. Drain your macaroni and set aside. To make the sauce, add 1/4 cup butter, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, and stir until it cooks properly. Add in your milk, and stir well. Now add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, and stir. Add in 2 cups cheese. Stir in your macaroni. In a tray lined with parchment paper, pour in your macaroni. Once you're done smoothing it out, put it in the freezer for 2 to 3 hours. Once it's out of the freezer, cut it to your wanted size. In a bowl, add 1/4 cup flour, 1 tablespoon salt, and add water as required. Mix this until it's smooth. Here I have some veggie chips that I just crushed up. Dip your mac and cheese stick into the flour mixture. Now roll it around in the chips. Do the same with all the rest. Have an adult help you fry. Serve hot with a little bit of garlic sauce. Enjoy!